Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing very easy recipe as always. Okay, we are doing custard scones. All right, they are very easy to do and it smells amazing. It has that custard flavor. So come along with me and let's do this. So it's very easy. So I have here some flour. Okay, so I'm going to add all the dry ingredients together and then you put the wet ingredients together and we just mix it. So you see that it's very easy to do. Okay, my daughter is making me laugh, so that's why I'm laughing. All right, so what we have here, so I have some flour there. I have some brown sugar. You can use white sugar if you prefer. I love using brown sugar. Okay, and I have some baking powder, baking soda, I have some salt, and I have some custard powder. Okay, and also I have just a zest of lemon because I want that refreshing taste. Okay, so I'm going to put that all in and then we mix it nicely so they are nicely mixed. So you are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is Nana's Food World. This is where we do lovely recipes. I want to thank all my subscribers for coming back to watch my videos. I'm so grateful. Thank you for coming along with me. Yeah, so that is mixed nicely. Right, so the next bit is to add some butter. You know that you need a very good butter for your scones because it makes it taste absolutely delicious. Okay, so what I'm going to do, just roughly with your fingertips, just mix it nicely onto the flour to get a crumbly mixture. So guys, this is our dry mixture. As you can see, it's really crumbly. So you put this aside. So guys, for the wet ingredients, we have our buttermilk. Okay, also the next bit we need to add is an egg. Just want to add 1 egg. So guys, we add some vanilla extract. I'll try and mix it. So guys, we are going to put our wet ingredients into right, so you mix it nicely. I like using the spatula before I use my hands to do it. So now I like to use my hands. So guys, this is our dough. Trying to make sure you flour the surface properly and very well. You can even use your hand to just spread it out. I can just roll it out nicely. Right, so the next bit is to just use your cookie cutter to cut them. So guys, this is it. So what I'm going to do now is to just egg wash it. This is egg and a bit of milk. Okay, yeah, so our oven has been preheated to 180 degrees, so I'm going to put that into the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. So guys, this is our scones. It tastes so nice. Okay, so in UK this is how we eat it. So I've cut this into 2. All right, and then what I'm going to do is to put jam in it. And the next bit we need to do is to add a bit of cream. So guys, if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.